Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Cypress end-to-end tests for web apps step by step clearly. Start by opening your terminal. Navigate to your project directory. Make sure you have Node.js installed. If you don't have it, download and install Node.js from the official website. Once Node.js is installed, initialize your project by running npm init. This command creates a package.json file with default settings. Next, install Cypress by running npm install Cypress savedev. After the installation is complete, open Cypress for the first time using npx cypress open. This will create a folder named Cypress in your project directory along with a cypress.json configuration file. The Cypress folder contains subfolders for fixtures, integration tests, plugins, and support files. To create your first test, navigate to the Cypress/integration folder. Create a new file named sample_spec.js. Open sample_spec.js in your code editor. Begin your test by describing the functionality with describe, your test suite, equals. Inside the describe block, add an it block for your test case using it, should do something, equals. Within the it block, use commands like sci.visit, URL, to navigate to your web application. You can include assertions using sci.get, selector, .should, condition. For example, you could check that a button exists or that a text is displayed. Save the file after adding your test code. Go back to the Cypress application, and your new test should be visible. Click on the test file name to run your test. Observe the results as Cypress executes the steps you've defined. If your test fails, use Cypress's debugger tools to inspect the application state at each step. You can add more tests by creating more files in the integration folder. Continuous integration can be set up by adding scripts to your CI configuration. Refer to the Cypress documentation for any advanced settings or features you might want to utilize. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.